Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to unlock a mathematical superpower that you can use in your everyday life. It's all about mastering linear functions, and I promise, by the end of this, you'll literally start seeing the world in a whole new way. Let's jump right in.
So, how can one simple equation do all that? Sounds like a bit of a stretch, right? But what if I told you that a single straight line equation is the secret code behind planning a party budget, predicting how populations grow, and a ton more? Well, today, we're going to crack that code together.
All right, first up, let's unlock this superpower. It's all about understanding the things in our world that change in a super steady, predictable way. Think of it like learning the rules to a game that's being played all around you all the time.
I mean, think about it. The world is just full of change, right? A plant grows, a car speeds up, your phone battery drains. Some of these changes are really simple and steady. You guessed it, like a straight line. Others are way more complex, and they follow a curve. Today, we're all about the power of that straight line.
Okay, this table breaks it down perfectly. A linear function, it's like a car on cruise control, just a steady, constant speed that makes a perfect straight line on a graph. A nonlinear function is more like a roller coaster. Its speed and direction are all over the place. That constant, steady change you see with a linear function, that's our secret weapon for making predictions.
And this is the secret code itself. Y equals mx plus b. The best way to think about it is like a recipe. B is your starting point, your initial amount. And m, that's the slope, or the rate of change. It's the action you repeat over and over again. Get a handle on just those two things, and bam, you can model pretty much any constant change you can think of.
So get this secret code isn't just for your math homework. For centuries, people have been using this exact same idea to understand and predict huge world-changing trends. Let's take a look at a massive, real-world example. Just look at this graph of the US population. Now, you can see the whole thing is a curve, right? But here's the powerful part. Analysts can zoom in on smaller sections of that curve to figure out the rate of growth during that specific time. They're basically just drawing a straight line between 2 points to get a really good estimate of how fast things were changing. For instance, between the years 1900 and 1990, the population of the United States grew at an average rate of 1.92 million people every single year. That number, that is the slope of the line between those 2 points in time. It's the m in our equation.
Okay, so here's the key takeaway, the big aha moment. When that rate of change is constant, the relationship is linear. And having a constant, predictable rate is exactly what you need to start making some seriously powerful predictions about the future.
All right, enough theory. Let's put this superpower to work. Your first mission, should you choose to accept it, involves planning a party.
So here's the situation. You've got a hard budget of $100, and for every single guest you invite, it's going to cost you $2 for snacks and drinks. The question is, what's the absolute maximum number of friends you can invite without breaking the bank?
Okay, let's use our code and crack this thing. Step 1, our starting value B is our $100 budget. Easy. Step 2, our rate of change, M, is -2. Why negative? Because our budget is going down by $2 for every guest. Step 3, we build our equation. The budget, Y, equals -2 times the number of guests, X, plus our starting 100. To find the max number of guests, we just set our final budget to 0 and solve for X. And there it is. You can invite 50 guests. Mission complete.
Awesome job. You're totally getting this. Let's level up with mission number 2. This time, you're renting a truck.
So the deal is pretty simple. You've got a one-time fee of $19.95 just to get the keys, and then they add on 25 cents for every single mile you drive. We need to figure out the total cost for a 100-mile trip.
All right, time to apply the code again. The starting value, our B, is that flat fee of $19.95. That's what you pay before you even start the engine. The rate of change, M, is positive this time because the cost is going up by 25 cents per mile. So our equation is total cost equals 0.25 times miles plus $19.95. We plug in 100 miles for X, do the math, and we get a total of $44.95. See? You're becoming a pro at this. Okay, you ready for the final mission? This one's a little trickier because we aren't just given the rate of change. We have to find it ourselves. This is where you really level up your skills.
Imagine a small village. We've got 2 pieces of data. In 2003, there were 1,000 people. By 2006, that grew to 1,300. And here's the big clue. The growth is linear, which means it's constant. Our mission is to predict what the village's population will be in the year 2012.
Okay, let's walk through this step by step. First, we find the change. The population went up by 300 people over a 3-year period. That lets us calculate our rate of change, m. We just divide 300 people by 3 years, which gives us 100 people per year. That's our slope. Our starting value, b, is the population in our first year, 2003, which was 1,000. Now we can build the equation. Population equals 100 times the number of years since 2003 plus 1,000. So to predict for 2012, that's 9 years later, we plug in 9 for the years and we get a prediction of 1,900 people. Boom!
And just like that, you've completed all 3 missions. But you didn't just solve a few problems, no way. You've actually built a whole toolkit for modeling and predicting the world around you.
So here it is, your new 5-step toolkit, nice and simple. First, you spot a pattern of constant change. Then, you find your starting point, b, and your rate of change, m. You build your model with y equals mx plus b, and finally, you use that powerful little equation to make a prediction. It's a framework you can use for anything with a steady rate of change.
So start thinking about it. What in your world changes like this? Your phone's data usage? The money you're saving each week from a job? The distance you jog at a steady pace? All of these can be modeled with a linear function. The code is yours now. So what are you going to model?
Hey, if you enjoyed this masterclass and it helped things click for you, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more explainers just like this one. We love breaking down big ideas and making them simple. Thanks for hanging out with me today.